Economics. Well, one can ask, what is economics? Interesting with the answers that you can find, where people say it's about money, accounting, or even the government. Well, economics is about understanding why your pocket sometimes feels lighter than your cup of coffee. Let's delve into it. What is economics? Economics is a social science. It studies the human behavior on how to satisfy people's unlimited needs and wants with the limited resources. It is divided into two main branches. Firstly, we have microeconomics, which studies the economic behavior and choices of individuals, households, and businesses. Secondly, looking at macroeconomics, which looks at the economy as a whole, studying economic factors such as unemployment, inflation, and so forth. Because resources are limited, but humans have unlimited needs and wants, every society must answer these three fundamental economic questions to decide on how to manage these resources. Firstly, what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Let's have a look at production. Production is actually making the goods and services. For example, using wood to produce tables or cupboards. Secondly, which is producing clothing materials. And thirdly, be it through baking or cooking. Then we have distribution, which is getting the goods and services to the consumers. For example, the delivery trucks, which deliver food from the farms to the supermarkets. Secondly, delivering electricity from the power stations to the households. And lastly, delivering education and skills through educational facilities like your schools. Lastly, we have consumption. Consumption is actually using the goods and services which you have bought. For example, enjoying the electricity that you have bought, enjoying that comfy sofa that you have bought yourself, and lastly, enjoying that food that you have always wanted or needed. While one may ask, why resources? What's the importance of resources in economics? Well, resources is anything used to get or create goods and services that people want. Resources are also known as the four factors of production. Firstly, we have your natural resources from the land. Secondly, we have capital, which is the money, equipment, and machinery used to produce the goods and services. Thirdly, we have entrepreneurship, which refers to the entrepreneurs who employ the other three factors of production, be it your land, labor, and capital, to start their businesses in order to make a profit. Lastly, we have labor, which refers to the physical or mental work done by the people for a reward or payment. This brings us to the end of the video. Well, in summary, economics studies how we use the limited resources in order to meet the unlimited needs and wants of the people. Well, I know you're probably asking yourselves, where are the basic economic concepts that you've always heard of? Your demand, your supply, those usual curves that you always hear of, GDP, scarcity, inflation, economic growth. Well, come on right with me as we continue to deal with the difficult and basic concepts of economics.